Hello community, a very short interrupt. KERAS just published a new high-performance image generation using Stable Diffusion in KERAS CV, and we are looking at a COLAB notebook. It's a free COLAB notebook. I leave you the link. You just click on the link and we have the first look together. Here we are, high-performance image generation. So let's start. As a runtime, we select GPU. Let's see what we get. And connect, and here we go, overview. At first we have, of course, pip install TensorFlow Keras, the upgrade, and okay, CUDA 11.2. Let's go for this. And then we just import time, we import Keras, we import TensorFlow, and our PLT. This is standard as we know it. Beautiful new COLAB Jupyter notebook. Introduction. Stable diffusion model is, oh yeah, we are still limited to 512 times 512 pixels. Yes, of course. What else? Give it a prompt. Photograph an astronaut riding a horse. A new, I don't know, stellar spaceship. And let's see. Plot images is defined. Pretty incredible. Let's wait for pretty incredible. Oh yeah, we're just installing TensorFlow Keras. Okay, here we go. You are watching in real time. Welcome. So let's see if it really works out of the box. I think so, because Keras is always great in the performance. But let's see. Real time, come on. My goodness. I suppose everybody is now checking out this new Keras. So, but the nice thing is you can have even a more complex prompt. Here a prompt about three lines. I just put in some galaxy. We have a batch size of 3, so we will have a look at 3 pictures. And then the nice thing, okay, what I want to show you is they added finally here, where is it? Here, the JIT compile. We will do an XLA compilation with JIT compile is true, and we will try out the new mixed precision computation. So we have 2 turbos waiting for to be activated. So let's do this. CUDA 11.1. No, we need 11.2. 11.2. Unpacking. Okay, maybe I will shorten this a little bit later on. Come on, install everything. Yeah, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Yes, T4. No, I'm not interested. Standard mixed precision here. Mixed precision consists of performing computation using float 16 precision while storing the weights in the float 32 format. This is done to take advantage of the fact that float 16 operations are backed by significantly faster kernels than their float 32 counterparts in modern NVIDIA's GPU. So we want to have the faster kernels. Of course we do. What else we're interested in? So let's have a look. Where are we? Still downloading. My goodness. Setting up CUDA 11.2. Come on. This takes hours and hours and I don't have the time. This is just a video between the lines, so to speak. So here we go. Download Stable Diffusion from Hugging Face. Beautiful. GitHub, OpenAI, Clip, yes. Suddenly Clip is back again in the news. Yes, Stable Diffusion model, here we go. Another 50 seconds, my goodness. Come on. Now we give it a prompt. A new stellar spaceship. Yes, is a accelerating towards a galaxy. I'm sure that they have not been trained on any models with this description. So let's do a little bit of a challenge for the text, no? Otherwise it's boring. If you just show me a chair with a table, my goodness, we want some challenges in our life. So 10 seconds left, 11 seconds left for the download. Okay, here we go. Come on. My goodness. Yeah, images, plot images. Still waiting for the download to finish from Hugging Face. Finally. Finally. So let's see if we get our first images back. He's thinking about it. He is checking his repositories. Billion of pictures, but no picture with a new spaceship accelerating towards a galaxy. Yes. He is still thinking, okay. Yes, still thinking. Okay, we activate the next one. Otherwise, what about the resources? View resources. Oh yeah, RAM is oh wow, yeah. 52 seconds. RAM is really, my goodness. Okay, RAM is really maxed out completely. Yeah, but it's holding. It's still holding. Okay, we're really red. My goodness. GPU RAM is not at all amused. I didn't check what GPU we have. Well, never mind. Never mind. 16 of 25. It should be done in a second. Come on. My goodness, I do not have this time. I mean, it's a free GPU, so come on. Be happy and satisfied. I just want to try it out for the first time. The unboxing of a new KERAS model on Stable Diffusion. And with the 2 accelerations, it should be one of the fastest compute of Stable Diffusion, even faster than PyTorch. Hi, PyTorch community. What about a nice challenge, eh? Come on. 83 seconds. Yes. And RAM is still maxed out. We are still... Oh my goodness. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, not so bad. Yeah, it's working. I mean, amazing. It is working right out of the box. So my next image is called Warp Speed Spacecraft, photorealistic, golden color, high quality, highly detailed, elegant, sharp focus in front of a galaxy. Where's the galaxy? Did I have a galaxy in there? Yeah, accelerating toward a galaxy. There's just Mars and this is planet Earth. Oh, there's the galaxy missing, but okay. The possibilities are literally endless. Yes, I know. So, come on. 7 seconds left. RAM is gone. RAM is beyond. Who cares? It's still stable. So, here we go. Come on. What are you waiting for? Yes. Yes. Yes, here it comes. Maybe. Should be. Hey. Golden color, high quality, highly detailed, yeah. Warp speed spacecraft. Yeah, I know. But I didn't want to use any famous pictures, otherwise would be a little bit of a problem. So now, next part. Git compile is true. We want to have XLA. Yes, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Cute art in a real watercolor. Come on. I mean, this is not what you... let's call it spacecraft on the way to Mars. What do you think? This is much better, yeah? And we do not have any problem with intellectual property rights of any artists. I got spacecraft on the way to Mars in watercolor. Wow. Let's see. GPU RAM is gone beyond recognition. Never mind. So this is now with... Where is it? Where is it? No, we are still in standard. How can this be? Ah, we have to activate. Here we go. It's the first time I see it. KERAS mixed precision set global policy mixed float 16. Hey, enabling mixed precision computation in KERAS is as simple as calling. This is it. Hey, nice. My goodness. Spacecraft on the way to Mars. Watercolor. I tell you something. We take this text. I don't want a cute magical flying dog fantasy art. So, and I want here some photorealistic, photorealistic. And what else? Yeah, I think it is okay if we just have 2 lines. And here is a mystery adventure. No, come on. What we do? We say accelerating with a new ion drive. Yeah, maybe it has an ion drive. I don't know. I have no idea about this. So, where are we? Spacecraft on the way to Mars. Watercolor. I mean, okay. Okay, so mixed precision. Here we go. Mixed precision. Let's go. Mixed float 16. Done. Stable diffusion. So, model stable compute variable. So, this should show us that we are now in 16 and 32. Let's see if it's true. I have no idea. First time. Print. D-type. Come on, D-type. Show me. Show me. Yes, I'm a very passionate guy. No problem at all. Yeah, and then we just do mixed precision right now. Heaven's sake, what he's waiting for. What are you waiting for? What are you calculating? Tell me. Speak to me. No, no way. He doesn't talk to me. Okay. Yeah, here we go. Compute T-type 16 and float 32. Yes, great. Warm up the model to run graph tracing before benchmarking. Okay. Model text to image. Here we go. Spacecraft, blah, blah, blah. Batch size 3. End time, start time. Okay. Result and start. Yeah, who cares about this? I just want to see if it really works. 10 of 25, 16 seconds. Wow. And now we have XLA, linear algebra compiler. This beautiful linear algebra compiler built-in. How nice is this? Float 32. JIT compile is true. Here we go. JIT compile is true. This is what we're looking for. An avocado armchair. Heaven's sake. Okay. If you want an avocado, okay. Because here we have just our model, stable diffusion, text to image, and here now we do the benchmark. Quasar Uniform Galaxy photorealistic. Here we go for the benchmark. On an A100 GPU. I don't think I have an A100 GPU. 2 times speed up. This would be great. Such a speed up would be great. So we're here, batch size 3. So 1, 2 is almost finished, and 3 is just beginning. No, 3, this is it. 31 seconds. And plot images. Please plot images. Nice. Ion drive is, yeah, okay, yeah. XLA compilation is running. JIT compile. Yes, here we go. Unbelievable. Done in weeks. Unbelievable. Amazing. So, audience, be aware you're gonna notice the emergence of an avocado armchair. I think it's green, a green armchair. Congratulations. I hope it's not the form of an avocado, but, well, would be a surprise if we have an avocado. Okay, thinking, here we have a problem. Wow, crash. Okay, here we have a crash. Inference predict function. List of allocated tensor when ooms happen at report. No. Okay, this is as far as I got. What happens if I just say, just do the model? Would you be able to pass the model? No, I don't think so. Waiting. I mean, even if it's not, resource exhaust exception encountered when calling layer. Okay. Okay. No problem at all. Great. I mean, at least we had one max precision activated, which is great. XLA, I have no idea JIT compile. There is a problem, as you can see here with the red. If you find out the reason, please leave me a comment. Otherwise, I think amazing. This is an official KERAS notebook. Have a look at it. It is beautiful, and as you can see, if you have a more realistic text in your prompt, in your wording, you will get, I suppose, much more interesting pictures. But this was just a demonstration. If the system is really stable out of the box. So this was the unpacking of the new iPhone. No, it was the unpacking of the high performance image generation using Stable Diffusion in KERAS. I say thank you. This was just a short interrupt, and we are back to the normal work in a second.